Namaste. Today we will study about the transport across the cell membrane. So, as we all know, transportation is happened, but across the cell membrane it is different because both the side, the concentration is different, the fluid is different. So, for this, we will study the transport across the cell membrane. All cells are generally separated from the surrounding environment that we all know by the plasma membrane. In addition, the eukaryotic cells are compartmentalized by the intercellular membrane. So this is also happen in our body because they are different compartment, different organs. So they are surrounded by intercellular membrane that form the boundaries and internal structure of various organelles. These biological membrane are semi-permeable in nature. That is, their permeability property ensure that the specific molecules and ion readily enter the cell and the waste product leave the cell. These movement of the solute into the cell and the waste product leave the cell. These movement of the solute into the cells are mediated through the action of the specific transport protein that are present on the cell membrane. Such protein are therefore required for movement of ions such as sodium, calcium, potassium, chlorine, as well as metabolites such as pyruvate, amino acid, sugar, and nucleotide, and even water. Transport protein are also responsible for biological electrochemical phenomena such as neurotransmitters. Cells membrane architecture in the transport across cell membrane. The cell membrane play an important role in the transport of molecule because it acts as a semi-permeable barrier allowing specific molecule to cross while fencing the majority of the organic products chemical inside the cell. Electron microscopic examination of cell membrane reveal the development of the lipid bilayer model. The model consists of phospholipid which has a polar head and two non-polar tails. These phospholipids are aligned tail to tail so that the non-polar area form a hydrophobic region which the hydrophobic head on the inner and the outer surface of the membrane. Permeability of the molecule across phospholipid bilayer, most of the molecule will diffuse across the protein free lipid bilayer down its concentration gradient if provided enough time. The diffusion rate is a function of the size of the molecule and its relative solubility in the oil. In general, the smaller the molecule and the more soluble in oil, the more rapid it is diffused across a cell membrane. Small non-polar molecules such as oxygen, carbon readily dissolve in the cell membrane and therefore diffuse rapidly across them, whereas small unchanged paramolecules such as water or urea also diffuse across a bilayer but much more slowly, but ethanol diffuse readily. Conclusively, it can be said that the lipid bilayer are highly permeable to charged molecule or ions by considering its size. Also, because the change and high degree of hydration of such molecule prevent them from entering the hydrocarbon phase of the bilayer. So here we have completed this, and almost you can get a small gist about the transportation across the cell membrane. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.